Welcome back to another CHEM 2302 lab experiment primer video. With increasing amounts of trace metals ending up in wastewater, their impact on human health and aquatic environments are of interest. As a result, their quantification is desired. For this experiment, voltammetry will be used for the analysis of lead, cadmium, and copper in water samples. Let's get started. There are many transferable skills from this experiment into future occupational roles as an analytical chemist. This includes quantification of analytes by standard addition, learning the fundamentals of stripping voltammetry, and the collection and manipulation of data to report scientific results. Luckily, minimal equipment is required, although please make sure to read up on how voltammetry works. Don't worry too much about its operation. Your TA and lab coordinator will be around to help you use it. And with that said, let's go over some tips to help you out during experiment 3. Before the lab, double-check your pre-lab calculations needed to make your standard solutions. A quick email to your TA or lab coordinator can ensure you're not wasting time during experiment 3. A critical experimental step is cleaning your glassware. Nitric acid followed by deionized water will be used for cleaning. Dirty glassware equals horrible results every time, guaranteed. Please don't let this happen to you. Lastly, when making standard additions into your electrochemical cell, make sure your sample is going directly into the cell solution. Your experiment will suffer from poor reproducibility if the sample solution is expelled onto the cell walls or electrodes. And there you have it. Now you're ready for experiment 3. For your lab, make sure to read your lab manual and familiarize yourself with the experiment. For your post-lab report, standard addition curves will be made for trace metals to quantify them in your unknown. Good luck, and stay curious.